Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a common problem that many men face. It's the enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and how a natural supplement called FlowForcemax can help. You can find a priceless and extremely valuable link in the description of this video with more information about this problem. The source was validated before, and it has the official info and right product to help you. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a health issue that becomes more common with age. It's also called an enlarged prostate. The prostate is a small gland that helps produce semen, and as men age, it can become enlarged, causing various urinary problems. While it's not always possible to prevent BPH, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and a balanced diet can help reduce the risk. Regular screenings and checkups are also crucial for early detection and management. FlowForcemax is a natural prostate supplement. Its powerful components support prostate health and well-being. FlowForcemax improves prostate health and general health. It aids urine flow, bladder function, inflammatory response, and hormonal balance. FlowForcemax is made from a blend of natural ingredients known for their beneficial effects on prostate health. These include saw palmetto, Pygeum africanum, and stinging nettle, among others. For best results, take FlowForcemax as directed by the manufacturer or your healthcare provider. Always follow the recommended dosage and do not exceed the suggested use. FlowForcemax is only available from its official website, which is available in the description of this video and pinned in the first comment. It's not available on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or other online stores to ensure customers receive only authentic and reliable products. BPH is a frequent problem among older men, but it is possible to effectively control it by making the appropriate lifestyle adjustments and receiving the appropriate therapy. One of the natural ways to support prostate health is through the use of FlowForcemax. We appreciate you watching. If you found this video to be educational, we would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch more videos like this. In the comments section below, please don't forget to share your opinions and experiences with FlowForcemax. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.